How's it going, you guys? Welcome back for another video. In today's session, I'm going to analyze GBP USD. I'm currently on a buy on GU right now, and I also called the trade for the team as well. But before we go ahead and analyze GBP USD, I just want to show you guys that the strategy does work because I made a video on AUD NZD. I believe it was my last video, the most recent video that I made on AUD NZD that I was waiting for the buy. As you guys can see, the market did come down to our area of interest and we placed it buy and we're currently in profit, right? So when I tell you guys the strategy is very simple to use, as long as you put in the time to study the strategy and backtest it for yourself, you should be able to make money in the market for sure, right? So pretty much what we did on AUD and ZD, we've realized that the market is trending up, so you already know we should be looking for buyers only. We're not trying to sell and counter trade. The second thing that we did was, as you guys can see, we use the blue rectangle boxes to mark our key structures. Right, we have the low, we have the high. The market went all the way down to give us a higher low, and then went all the way up to give us a higher high. So all we did was wait for the market to create the next higher low for us to get in. Right, that's the second step. And the third step for the strategy is to know to use the Fibonacci retracement properly. Right, so all I did was place my Fibonacci retracement from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high. As you can see, the market went all the way down to the 61% retracement level, give us one, two, three touches there, and then since then it has been going up. I believe we got in around this level, then I think we're currently up about 40 some pips on AUD and ZD. Right? When I tell you guys the strategy is very, very simple to use. It is a high winning ratio strategy because you'll be trading with the trend, you'll be trading with structure, and all you have to do is wait for the market to come to you to hit the next higher low for you to get in. Right? So remember, guys, if the market is trending up, you should be getting higher lows and higher highs. Right? Same thing here, right? So all you have to do is the minute you realize the market is trending up on a daily time frame, what you gotta do is place your fit from the low, right? Drag it all the way up to the high, right? And all you have to do is wait for the market to create the higher low at the 61%, give you one, two, three, four, five touches, and went all the way up to smash TP1 at 0%. So always use TP1 at 0%, then to smash TP2 at minus 27%. Three things you need to use the strategy properly, right? You must follow the trend. You must be able to mark your key structures. Like if the market is trending up, you should be getting higher lows and higher highs. If the market is trending down, you should be getting lower highs and lower lows, right? So and if the market is trending up, make sure to get in at the higher lows only, right? Do not be getting up here or down here. Make sure and wait for the market to create the next structure at the 61%, right? And then you get in, then you're definitely going to ride it all the way up to that level, the previous structure for TP1. I just wanted to show you guys this TA real quick because when I made the video, AUD and ZD wasn't ready. And I told you guys, if you have a proper risk management, you should be able to catch the same setup that I be catching, right? Now let's go to GBP USD. We're currently trading GBP USD. We're currently on a buy on GBP USD. That again, guys, is the same thing over and over again, right? If you go to the daily time frame, you can clearly see that GBP USD is trending up. That again, guys, the minute you realize the market is trending up on a daily time frame, the only thing that should come to your mind is I'm going to wait for the market to create the next higher low for me to get in for me to place the buy, right? So let's do it again, right? We know the market is currently trending up, right? If you grab your trend line, right, it is clearly an uptrend, right? And then the second thing you have to do is mark your key structures properly, right? If you go to insert shapes, right, rectangle box, the market give us a low, right? Went all the way up to give you a high, all the way up there, right? Then came back down to give you a higher low, right? Then went all the way up to give you a higher high. What I did was this my Fibonacci retracement from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high. And then you have to wait for the market to create structure between the 50% and 61% retracement level for it to get in, right? If you get your fib from here, from the higher low to the higher high, right? And then the market dropped all the way down to the 50% retracement level, right? To give you one, two, three touches, also at the trend line as well, right? We placed it by I believe it was 1.27 200 area, and now we're currently up 45 pips. We're going to ride it all the way up for like 255 pips, I believe, right? When I tell you guys, this strategy works so well because you'll be following the trend, you'll be following structures, and all you have to do is be patient for the market to create the next structure for you to get in, right? You have the low, you have the high, you have the higher low, you have the higher high, and then all we did was place the fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high, and the market drop to the 50%, give us one, two, three, four touches at the 50%. We're getting stop loss below the structure and TP all the way at the 0% at the that's where the previous structure was, right? And then some of you guys might ask, right? Yet again, it is very crucial to actually know how to use the strategy properly, right? So some of you guys might think that this is the high low. Let's say Fibonacci retracement from here to there, and you got another 61% retracement level, you would have lost the trade, right? Because this is not a proper high low. The reason being is, guys, because if you grab your Fibonacci retracement, if you place it from the most recent high low, right, which is this guy, right, to the most recent, and you're taking this as a high, right? Guess what, guys? Right, from this to that, the market never come to the 50% or 61% retracement level, right? So this was pretty much a break and a retest. This is not a proper high low because the market never went past the previous structure, right? Because but if you look at this one's an actual structure because the market went above the previous high to create a higher high, right? So for it to be actual structure, right? The market must come to between the 50% and the 61% retracement level, right? So I took the time to backtest the strategy, and that's how it goes. If the market does not come to the 50% and 61% level, it is not a proper high low. So that's why I placed a fib from the most recent high low, right? Because if you place the fib from here, right, to there, I can guarantee you, guess what, guys? This is a proper high low because the market dropped all the way down to the 61% level, right? See that? 61% level, right? And then all you have to do next is place the fib from the most recent higher low, which is this guy, to the most recent higher high. And guess what, guys? Um this is a proper structure because the market dropped all the way to the 50%, give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches there, and then says that it is currently going up. And that's why we're currently up about 45, 50 pips on GBP USD, right? So we're currently trading GBP USD and GN right now. Sorry, we're currently trading GBP in AID right now, and we currently up 45 pips on both. I'm going to show you guys the Telegram group real quick, so you guys can see for yourself. As you guys can see, I called the AUD NZD trade, right? Risking minus 45 pips to make over 125 pips. Yet again, my R ratio is always going to be 1, 2, 3. And it's up about 25 pips, right? And then I also called the GBP USD as well on Friday, and we're currently up 40 pips on GBP USD, right? Risking about 45 pips to make over 250 pips. Yet again, way over 1, 2, 3 R ratio, right? So when I tell you guys this strategy does work, obviously the strategy not 100%, you're going to take some losses here and there, but if you have a proper risk management and you follow the strategy to the T, you should be able to make money in this market 1000%. And this strategy helped me become a full-time day trader as well, right? So take your time, guys, study the strategy over and over and over and over again. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And also, if you guys want to be part of the Booming FX community, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Booming FX, and I'll add you guys to the group. So, yeah, guys, hopefully you all learned a thing or two from this video. And yet again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one.